Hi everyone, my name is Ronald Suarez, and next I present point 5 of the activity. The importance of understanding the valuation and negotiation of technology to contribute to solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia. It is important to understand valuation as it allows exploration of technologies, innovation, science be achieved greater economic growth, encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship, or creating more qualified jobs. These are the consequences that await the country if companies successfully move through the digital transformation. It is important to try to improve the problems of lack of digital culture, lack of knowledge, budget, lack of mentality, lack of clear business model, lack of leadership, lack of human capital. As this is the digital transformation in Colombia, you must make sure to eliminate or at least reduce the gaps in digital access, promote laws that promote this transformation, help companies to grow through it, and encourage the education of children and adolescents for the creativity, innovation, and leadership. Thanks.